Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mahesh M. Manjari, Assistant Professor from Department of Management Studies, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad. Okay, here I welcome you all to this exciting contest of SDM CT Stock Market Challenge 1. I'm going to explain you the simple steps how to join the contest and play the game. Let me share the poster first. Yes, the last day to join is Friday, July 16, 2021, and the contest ends on Friday, August 20, 2021. So here are the simple steps how to join. Click on the link given in the poster. I need to make a new share. Please wait. Yeah. So now you will read with the link will take you to Dalal Street Investment Journal. Here click on login. Sign in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID and password. Since I am already using Zoom, I have signed into my Gmail ID. So this is my portfolio because I have already joined the contest and created my portfolio. But I'll tell you how to join the contest. See on the right hand side of the web page, okay, click on this photo or profile and click on join contest. Please scroll down and from this drop down menu select SDMCT Stock Exchange Stock Market Challenge. Enter the key given in the poster and click on join contest. Okay, so now you have joined the contest. Congratulations, and click on the trading arena to create your portfolio. Yeah, as I told, I have already joined the contest and created my portfolio, but I will just show you once again how to create your portfolio. Click on place order, select a script or equity share company. So I will say Infosys Limited. Okay, so this is the opening and closing of Infosys Limited's equity share price in the previous trading session. So I would place order for, let us say, 50 equity shares of Infosys Limited at market price. You can limit it. You can place a limit order with a specific price or sell or buy. You can know more at a later stages. And also you have the option of stop loss price. A stop loss order is set a limit to trader's potential loss. These things you can learn later. But let me buy the stocks at the market price at present. So click on buy. So now this is in queue. So it will take usually 1 to 2 minutes to process the transaction. Okay. Similarly, I'll place order for stocks of another company. Let us say Ranback C. Now let's say GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals Limited. Yes, this company equity share, I'll put another 50 at market price. Click on buy. Yeah, so both are in queue now. As I said, it will take a couple of minutes to process the transaction. As well, whatever you have purchased, you can sell. Okay, so let us say I would prefer to sell ICICI Bank equity shares. Click on sell. Okay, at market price. Okay, then just click on sell. Okay, so this is how you can keep buying and selling the stocks of the companies that are listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. So there are various options like watch list. If you want to keep stock of any company under watch list, you should find it, add it here. Let's say if I add Infosys Limited, yeah, it is under watch list now. Trades that I have made, whatever I have bought and sold. Okay, then sold history. I still need to update. Okay, I have not, though I have initiated a sale, but it is not sold. Then analytics. Okay, yeah, remember this point in time, I would like to inform you that each player will be given a virtual money of 10 lakh rupees. I repeat, each player will be given a virtual money of 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so you have to purchase stocks or equity shares of the companies using that 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so here using that 10 lakh rupees, I have purchased stocks of these different companies. This is my portfolio. Okay, but at 54.31% of the 10 lakh rupees, or that is 5,43,100 rupees out of 10 lakh rupees, still I am holding. Okay, I want to evaluate and purchase in coming days, and all the remaining amount I have spent to purchase the stocks of these companies. Okay, so this is the portfolio. And if I click on a ranking, as it is a contest, so first you need to choose the contest by clicking on the drop down menu. Choose SDMCT stock market challenge. Yeah, congratulations to me as I top, okay, today's trading. Yeah, it is because there is no other contestant. So when you all join, okay, so day wise, week wise, month wise, we can see, okay, whose portfolio value is highest. Accordingly, they will be ranked. So our contest is only for 4 to 5 weeks, so it doesn't go for a quarter. So we can review the rankings every week, preferably on Saturdays. Okay, so that's all. It's quite easy. Remember that you can trade, that is buy or sell stocks only from Monday to Friday. I repeat, you can buy and sell stocks only from Monday to Friday, and only during the trading hours, that is the morning 9 to 4 in the afternoon. I repeat, only during the trading hours, that is the morning 9 to 4 hours, because this stock market challenge is okay connected to Bombay Stock Exchange on live. So it is a simulation game. So the stock market is real, but your money is not real. So you are not going to lose anything, but you are going to gain a lot of knowledge and first-hand experience of hands-on experience of how to trade in securities, absolutely free of cost. So remember, you can trade only from Monday to Friday and between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So during your short break, during your lunch break, only that time you have to utilize, okay, to buy and sell the stocks. Okay, so this is the point what you need to remember. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and let me sign out. All the best.